Hello, I am Naren. Welcome back with a new interesting and informative topic. See here, today we are going to discuss very useful and important topic regarding mentoring. What is mentoring? Why mentoring? Skill of a mentor. Who can be a mentor? And how to mentor help to others. All these things discussion today. This is my humble request. Please give me 5 to 6 minutes. I will discuss all these things. So don't last this time. Let's get started. See here, number one question. What is mentoring? According to Oxford Dictionary, a mentor is an experienced person and a trusted advisor. What? Trusted advisor. A mentor counsel, motivate, guide, teach to the mentee for his overall development. What is mentoring? People are saying mentor is a teacher, a guide, a trainer, a coach. No, mentoring is different. Mentoring a person who has all these skills. You can see the diagram. A teacher, trainer, counselor, guide, and a mentor. A mentor has all these skills. So the conclusion is mentor is a friend, philosopher, trusted advisor, and a guide. Now we'll discuss why mentoring. People are saying why mentoring is requirement. Mentoring is required for major 5 important causes. Number 1, proper counseling. Number 2, motivation. Number 3, business setup. Number 4, helping others. And number 5, hand-holding support. So let's discuss the internal concept of the proper counseling. Counseling is important. After completing the graduation, degree, diploma, students are unable to take the decision. What shall to do? They start the business or searching the job. A proper mentor, a counselor can counsel to the mentee by which the mentee can take the proper way and set up their goal. Second point, business setup. Generally in India, most of the people are searching job instead of starting the business. What is the cause? The cause is they are not getting a good counselor, a mentor by which they are not getting the start this business. So a mentor can guide how to start a business. What is the challenges? What is the problem? How to solve the problem? All these things a mentor can guide by which most of the people and more people can start their business. Number 3, motivation. You know, motivation make a vital role in your life. I need motivation. You need motivation. Everyone need motivation. Motivation is a positive power that changes our inner thing. People are tension, frustration, anxiety, many more things. So a mentor can motivate, guide by which the people get the energetic and make the success. A mentor can help to develop our Indian economy. How? When most of the people started the business, became self-independent, the job seeker into job creator, automatically our Indian economy will grow. If unemployment will increase, people are searching job, not starting the business, so it will not develop. So mentor can help to start the business to the mentee, and when the business will start, automatically the growth of Indian economy will improve. Okay, the last part, why mentoring? This is hand-holding support. To start the business is not difficult. How to sustain the business, how to grow in business. So this is important. So a mentor can guide time to time. This is hand-holding support, training, skill, upskilling, all these things a mentor can train to the mentee by which the mentee get everything in this life. Now the question, who can be a mentor? The simple thing, who has experience, who has a trusted advisor, he or she can be a mentor. A mentor is a person who want to give something. A mentor is a person who want to serve something. So a mentor, we can source mentor from institution, NGO, government department, civil service, and industry also. Those people has experience. They want to share his knowledge, skill, idea for others' development. These people can be a mentor. Okay, let's discuss skill of a mentor. You know, skill is everything. Education is other part and skill is other part. All skillful person can be a mentor. A mentor is a teacher, a mentor is a trainer, a mentor is a motivator, a mentor is a good way person and a like-minded person. There is no ego. Some people are here, they have so many things in their life. They are retired from army, they are retired from bank. So when they join as a mentor, they have no ego. ego. They are thinking, how do we help others? So these are the skill of a mentor. Now I want to give some example. Then you understand what is the proper meaning of mentoring. See here. Here is Sachin Tendulkar and his mentor Ramakanta sir. So you know Sachin Tendulkar is famous in cricket and the mentor name is Ramakanta sir. You can see here Swami Vivekananda and the mentor is Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Vivekananda is famous all over the world and the mentor is Ramakrishna Paramahansa. See here, this is Mahatma Gandhi and the mentor name is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, the political mentor of the Mahatma Gandhi. So you know, mentor make a vital role in this help of this mentee. And this question for you, I have taken two photos, the two great business leader in India and they are famous also outside. So please tell me who is the mentor of the two Indian business leader. Last but not the least, this is my humble request all of you. Suppose you are a retired person, you are a skillful person, you have knowledge and skill. So please be joined as a mentor. Mentor is a person who can help to others. Remember, God has given everything to you. Now you achieve all these things in your life. So now it is the time to provide. Now it is the time to give to others. Suppose you have knowledge, skill, idea, experience. If you not share to others, if you are not helping to others, then what is the value of those things? So this is my request. Those people are skill, knowledge, talent, experience, idea. So please be a join as a mentor and help to the others, and it will be make a networking of mentoring, and we can change to others and we can make a good nation. Hope you like our video. If it is fruitful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you, all of you.